Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial from Wholesale Vinyl Fencing. In this tutorial we're going to show you how to assemble a vinyl privacy fence panel in high winds. This is pretty good practice anytime that you install privacy fencing. Those are self-tapping screws. They're about a 1/4 inch long. That's the U-channel that goes onto the side of the picket. A lot of times people just put that U-channel on the picket to help cover gaps, but this is really the proper technique for installing U-channel. I will give you a note, it gets a little bit tricky if you're on a steep slope. You will have to cut the U-channel to make it work, but if it's flat, then this system works really well. You can see this area, there's really not any type of tree coverage. They're up on a hill on a mountainside, and it really gets high winds. If you want to check out our tutorials for assembling the complete vinyl fence, just browse our YouTube channel and you'll find that tutorial in there. But once it's complete, you can see how solid it is. The wind's not going to push through that. Thanks for watching this tutorial. You can watch other tutorials on our YouTube channel or visit wholesalevinylfencing.net.